you guys, today I'll be making some blackened catfish and some spicy sauteed veggies. So let's get into it. I'm using catfish. Use the fish you prefer. It works just as well. I bought this blackening seasoning from the grocery store. I'm not making it from scratch. You already know the tea. We do things nice and easy over here, okay? I've never used this spice before, but this spice was actually really good. I'm not sponsored. I don't care about that. But this spice is really good. So if you can find it in your grocery store, if you like to make yours from scratch, that's totally fine. So all you're going to do is put it on heavily on both sides. I don't even rub it in because, you know, again, it's blackening. So you just want to sprinkle it on both sides. So once again, like I tell you guys, Texas is giving hell. And so I'm going to be using my air fryer. As well as, you know, again, these days I'm very busy with my little peanut. And, you know, I can't stand over a stove for a long time. I just set things, forget it, go about my business, wash some bottles and keep it moving. So to the fish, I'm also going to add some pats of butter over top. You can use olive oil. I didn't have any, so I'm using butter, child, at this point. I'm also going to sprinkle on some lemon juice, and then I'm going to pop it right into the air fryer. These days, I'm making a lot of easy, simple, and fast recipes all over my social media. So I'm not just on here posting, I'm everywhere posting. So if you have all the other social medias that you know you can't really say on this platform, child, hit me up. Come see what I'm doing on my day-to-day, me, Peanut, what I'm eating, how I'm trying to lose this weight, everything like that. And we're going to get into it. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video, if you're going to make this recipe, and subscribe if you haven't already. To the melted butter, I added the peppers and onions on high heat. I'm going to sear that off because I want them to get really nice and caramelized. This is the spice that the seasoning that I'll be using on the vegetables or marinade, child, whatever you want to call it. I call everything seasoning. Next, I added the zucchini and squash and the habanero for that kick. It was like just the right amount of kick too. It wasn't hot. It wasn't not hot. It was just like a bing, like that right amount of kick. And it was just so delicious. Like the fish was great. Don't get me wrong. But my favorite part was actually the vegetables. The vegetables are really good. So you want to saute this down. Like I said, I'm on like medium high heat. Like I have the heat up. Turn it up. Okay? Don't let the vegetables boil, you guys. Turn your heat up. Taste your veggies to see if you want more of that spice and some salt, and you're good to go. That's it. Like, that's it. It's literally done. I ain't doing the most. Okay? So that's it. But these veggies right here, oh, baby, I'm definitely going to be making this again. The veggies were so good. Dun, dun, dun. Here go the catfish, y'all. Look how delicious this looks. It was done in the air fryer. The fish is perfectly cooked and nice and moist and not overcooked, which I'm about to show y'all. But y'all, look at these vegetables. I'm going to put that down first. Obviously, you could eat this with rice or whatever. But again, if you follow me on social media, you'll see what I'm actually doing, you know, as far as like my health or whatever. So make sure you follow me. But I had vegetables with the fish and it was so good, so filling, so delicious. And this is definitely a repeat. Sometimes I make these recipes and I don't even realize what I'm doing because, you know, I've been cooking for so long. But then I'm like, whoa. But this was so filling, delicious, just good, you know. And that juice right there was from the parchment paper. I gently lifted up and then like poured the juices, like the butter stuff, over the fish, and it was so good. Y'all, look how moist this fish is. Like, it's perfectly cooked. Perfect. High heat, quick cooking time, and you're good. Dinner is done. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. If you make this recipe, tag me on social media and let me know what you think. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.